Hey everybody, it's Miss Urrutia. I just wanted to make a quick little video to help you with a tool that I got or I learned from a PD right before all this craziness happened. It's how to enable captions in a different language while you present in PowerPoint. So if you are doing a presentation on PowerPoint and you feel like you are not keeping or you're not having your Spanish speaking students involved, you could just turn on this feature and you can have them involved with your presentation online or on PowerPoint on the app too. So I'm going to show you first how to do it online. So as you can see, I'm using my web browser. You just go on Office 365, you go on your OneDrive, you click your presentation. I'm just going to click this one. And what you're going to do is you're going to click, I'm going to wait for it to load so it doesn't lag or anything. Keep in mind that in Office 365 it is a little bit slower, more laggy depending on your internet. But once it's downloaded or once it's ready to go, you just click, see, it's a little weird online. You click slideshow, you click always use subtitles, and you click the down arrow. You obviously, most of us speak English, so you're going to use English. And then the subtitle language, you're going to pick Spanish, or you can pick whatever language you need. But because our kids are mostly Spanish speaking, we're going to pick Spanish. Or if you want to change the language, you can do it. And you just click your presentation to start. And you kind of have to talk a bit slower because it takes a little longer for the presentation or the microphone to pick it up and then translate. But as you can see on the bottom, you will see the subtitles in Spanish. So if you can bear doing it or speaking slower, it could definitely translate your words into subtitles. And you just go on about your presentation like normal. And this works best in a live lesson. I'm not too sure how you can do it for a recorded lesson. You could always use Screencast-O-Matic. And that's what I'm using right now. So you can just pre-record your lesson and have the captions on. And you can just go on about your presentation and it will translate the words for you, which is really great for our ELL students. You just exit out like normal and they'll stop. If you want to do it on the PowerPoint, you just go on your PowerPoint, your normal PowerPoint, and you got to make sure that you have always use subtitles. And then you go to the subtitle settings, same thing, spoken language is English. Your subtitle language can be Spanish, or if you have different students that you want to include that speak different languages, you can pick different languages as well. And same thing, you just present. And it will translate your words for you. And this is really helpful because it includes our ELL students and kind of breaks down a barrier that we constantly have with this distance learning. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And for some reason, I could not get you can't do it when you record. Like if you want to record your lesson, for some reason it doesn't show the subtitles. So I don't know why PowerPoint doesn't have, you can't do both at the same time. That's a little difficult. But if you just want to record it using something else, like what I'm doing now, which is called Screencast-O-Matic, you can use that too. So yeah, that was it, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. And if you have questions about other tools, I could try to help. I might not know all the answers, but yeah, just email me. And yeah, have a great day.